Today I'm challenging myself a little. We are going to create 6 completely different effects in CapCut using just one feature, the split mask. One feature, she said. Okay, fine. We are also using a few keyframes and the occasional compound clip. But the split mask is doing the heavy lifting, I promise. If you've never used it before or you've been using it the same way every time, I've got a few ideas for you. We'll replace a sky, create a seamless transition, clone ourselves, reveal text, build a before and after effect, and I've even got a bonus use at the end. I'm Agnes, and I'm here to help you master CapCut the easy way. Let's jump in. Let's start with one of the easiest and most dramatic things you can do with the split mask. We are not grading the sky, we are replacing it completely. Drop your clip onto the timeline, hold Option on Mac or Alt on Windows, and drag it up to duplicate it onto the layer above. Select the top layer, go to Video, then remove background and hit Auto Removal. Now find your sky footage and drag it in between your two clips so it sits on its own layer in the middle. Stay on that middle layer, go to Mask, choose Split, move the line to the horizon in your shot and rotate it until it sits flush with the ground. Add the touch of feather to soften that edge where the two meet. That's a completely different location. Same clip, different sky, one mask. And that's without touching a single color setting. This next one is probably the most satisfying when you play it back. You're going to use something already moving in your shot to hide the cut entirely. Add 2 clips to the timeline, drag the boss clip onto a layer above your second clip and zoom in slightly so it fills the frame nicely. Move your playhead to the point where the back end of the boss first appears. Go to Video, Mask, choose Split, rotate the line to follow the angle of the boss edge and drag it all the way to the side of the frame so only the boss is visible. Add a bit of feather, then drop a mask keyframe here. Now go frame by frame and adjust the mask line so it keeps tracking the back of the boss all the way across the screen. Keep going until the boss exits fully and your second clip is completely revealed. That's a really satisfying one to watch back. No cuts needed. The boss just takes the edit with it. Love it. This next one is the one everyone wants to know how to do. 2 of you, 1 shot, and it actually looks real. You need 2 clips of yourself shot in the same location with the same framing and background. In one clip, you're standing in one part of the frame and in the other, you've moved to a different position. Stack them on top of each other in the timeline. Highlight the top layer, go to Mask, choose Split, and rotate the line until it sticks cleanly between the 2 of you. Feather it slightly so the edge isn't hard. Now play it back. If you spot a glitch, like one of you going soft where the mask sits, adjust it until it holds. Just don't let that line drift over the other you. So 2 of you, 1 mask, and yes, that's what I used in the intro. We are going to create 6 completely different effects in CapCut using just one feature, the split mask. One feature, she said. Okay, fine. We are also using a few keyframes. Quick one before we carry on. If you want free assets to use in your edits right now, there is a free creator asset pack at 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘𝗥. You get horizontal mats, social media mats, outline frames, an Apple log lot, and 15 CapCut FX tutorials. Each one is under a minute and designed to create the kind of scroll-stopping visual hooks that make people stop and watch. All free. Links in the description. This one looks like you physically pulled the text onto the screen with your hands. You need to film yourself pretending to drag something into frame, but the setup after that is really simple. Add your clip to the timeline and drop your text layer on top. Get the font size, color and position looking exactly how you want it on screen. Once you're happy, highlight the text layer, right click and choose create compound clip so you can put a mask on it. Go to video, mask, choose split, rotate it to -90 degrees and drag the line so your text is completely off screen. Move your playhead to the start of the text layer and add the mask keyframe. Now, as you play through and your hand starts pulling, move the mask line to follow your hand movement, letter by letter, so the text appears gradually as you drag. Keep going until the full text is on screen. It looks like you reached off screen and pulled it in yourself. This one always fun to make. Now let's move on. This one is brilliant for showing what a color grade actually does to a shot. Instead of cutting between before and after, you get a smooth reveal from one to the other in the same clip. Bring your clip into the timeline and duplicate it onto the layer above the same way as before. Option or Alt and drag it up. I've color graded the top clip using one of our LUTs and wrapped it into a compound clip so the whole grade sits as one clean layer. Highlight that top layer, go to video, mask, choose split, rotate it again to -90 degrees. Drag the line all the way to the left so only the original clip is showing. Add the mask keyframe here. Move your playhead to the end of the clip and drag the mask line all the way to the right so the graded version is fully revealed. The second keyframe adds itself automatically. Let's watch it back. It's a really nice way to show transformations, whether that's a color grade, an effect, retouching, pretty much any before and after comparison you can think of. Before we finish, here's a bonus use for the split mask. This one's great when you want to show two things happening on the screen at the same time. Really useful and really quick to set up. I'm using a clip from my CapCut AI features video for this. The clip already shows a before and after, but I want to see both versions at the same time. I move my playhead to where the scene changes and press S to split it. Now I've got two separate clips. I'm stacking them on top of each other. Highlight the top one and drag it to one side of the screen. Then go to video, mask. I'm choosing split again, rotate it to 90 degrees, then drag the line to the center, then highlight the bottom clip and drag it onto the other side, and there it is, two separate screens in one. And that's 6 completely different ways to use the split mask in CapCut. It's one of those features that's easy to overlook until you realize just how many creative ways there are to use it. If you like the cinematic look from the before and after example, the Urban Cinematic LUT pack includes 4 clean, contrast-rich cinematic looks, including the Apple log 𝗙𝗥𝗘 709 conversion. They're built for CapCut and any other editing software. Links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. It really helps our channel and help more creators find us too. And if you want to keep improving your editing skills, subscribe for a new CapCut tutorial every week. Now go create something awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.